Hello guys, I'm Robert and welcome back to another one. So in today's video guys, I'm going to be drawing Jungkook, a member of BTS. He's a songwriter and a singer. First of all, I'm not a fan of BTS or something like that. So to all the BTS fans, don't be offended. I don't hate them, alright? So it's just that I don't listen to the songs. But I do listen to Japanese songs because I watch anime a lot, so most of the songs are from the anime openings. So yeah, so a few days ago I put a poll on Instagram asking you guys to vote whether I should draw Jungkook wearing a Khasi attire or a Garu attire. So the majority of the vote goes to Khasi attire, but don't worry, I'll be drawing all the other BTS members wearing different attires, like different traditional attires. So yeah, so stay tuned till the end of the video. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, support the channel and be a part of the art community, and leave a like, comment down below what you want to see me draw next, or you can give me some suggestions relating to art. You can ask any questions. Yeah guys, let's just jump straight into the video.
I've been keeping myself so busy, pushing out the misery, trying to find the peace in me. I wanna be I wanna find myself, but again, it's always a phase. I wanted to stay, no you don't understand. I've been losing myself, I've been losing myself. I wonder all day, who are you when you are not the one in your way? And then I think about myself and I state, I'm a pretty boss with almost your brain waste. I'm a freak in the sheets, I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you back. Ooh. I'm the girl that they don't talk about, quiet with a big mouth. Listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single date. If you got what I need, then oh, I'll take you on like a big deal. Legs you can unseal, key in ignition. Just keep me full, got a meal once in a while. Feel alright. I know you like it, can't fight it. I'ma let you ride the wave. I'm New York and you're LA. Come together, feel the shock waves.
So yeah guys, about the giveaway that I mentioned earlier in this video, I'm gonna be giving away this original artwork of Jungkook. So if you're a huge BTS fan, if you want this artwork, all you need to do is share this artwork to your Instagram stories and tag me. The first one to do it will win. Alright, the first one to do it will win this artwork. So first of all, I will post this artwork on my Instagram, and you can share it in your Instagram story and tag me. The first one to do it will win it. Alright, fair and square to all. So yeah guys, make sure you do that if you want it. Yeah, and thank you for watching the video. Really appreciate it. So yeah guys, bye bye, see you in the next one.